Traditional marketing is considered old news in this digital age. Try to remember the last time you made a high-value purchase. Did you wait to see a TV or magazine advert? Did you call a salesperson to ask a question? The chances are you went online and did your own in-depth research. You may not be aware of it, but you are already part of the methodology that is called inbound marketing. It's focused on attracting, educating, and empowering users through delivering relevant content that helps and guides them until they are ready to purchase your product. However, to understand inbound marketing, you need to understand the buyer's journey first. The buyer's journey is the research process that a buyer goes through leading up to the actual purchase. It's made up of 3 stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. When you feel those first signs of a problem or pain points, you're in the awareness stage. You'll research to understand what you are going through or what you need when you start researching your options, discovering solutions, and analyzing it all. This is called the consideration stage. When you decide on a solution, you can compare retailers to make your final choice. This is the decision stage. Inbound marketing is all about creating relevant and remarkable content tailored to your target audiences at each of these stages. This great content can be in the form of blogs, ebooks, guides, infographics, landing pages, white papers, and video. By helping the buyer to understand their problems and showing them how your company can fit their needs, you will build trust with your buyers. It's time to realize your business's true potential. Adopting an inbound marketing strategy for your business can take you there, maximizing revenue streams and engendering brand loyalty. For more information, please sign up for a free inbound marketing assessment at exubra.co.uk.